Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to do photo dump in TikTok. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, in order to photo dump in TikTok, what you need to do is open up your TikTok app, right? And once you open it, simply tap on the plus icon on the bottom of the screen, right? And once you tap on it, here you'll have an options that is 3 minutes, 60 seconds, 15 seconds and text, right? Now simply select the option that is photo. And now from here, all you gotta do is tap on uploads. And now remember to select this option that says select multiple, right? And while turning this on, you'll be able to make photo dumps. Now simply select on photos option on the top right corner of the screen. And now select the photos that you want. Let me just select these 3, and now all you gotta do is tap on next. And as you can see, and now here you can add something you want like stickers, and you can add filters as well. That's how you do it. And once you're done with the edit, all you gotta do is tap on next, and that's basically how you do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.